We are making a healthy and delicious quick vegan udon stir fry featuring broccolini and shiitake mushrooms. I've got some water boiling and 2 bricks of fresh udon noodles. You can find these either frozen or refrigerated in your Asian grocery store. And now we're gonna make the sauce for the stir fry. If you're an experienced cook and you just wanna throw the ingredients straight into the pan, that's totally fine. If you wanna measure everything, just make sure it's all right, you can do it ahead of time in another bowl. Ooh, hot pan. Need a really hot pan to stir fry. Start with my onions, the broccolini, some shredded carrot. I love the mixture of colors, shiitake mushrooms, and my beach mushrooms. Stir fry it up. I've got my stir fry sauce. I'm gonna pour it all over the vegetables. And then toss in my udon noodles. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious quick vegan udon stir fry. This dish is so fast and easy to make, udon even know it. HOIA!